Progress. Hi everyone, my name is Nargis Nasreen and we are here to solve another question on SQL, and today is day 42 of solving 100 questions on SQL, and the question we are going to solve today is matching similar host and guests, and this question got asked in Airbnb. So the question is find matching host and guest pair in a way that they are both of same gender and nationality. Output the host ID and the guest ID of matched pair. Okay, so what we have to do, we have two tables given here. First is host table where we have host ID, nationality, gender, and age. And second, we have guest table where we have guest ID, nationality, gender, and age. And based on common nationality and gender in these two tables, we have to find out unique pair of host ID and the guest ID. Okay, so yeah, it's a simple question. Let's try to solve this. So what we are going to do, we are going to join these two tables. Let's name this as H, join guest table on G on H dot nationality is equal to E dot nationality and H dot gender is equal to G dot gender. Okay, and here we need unique combination of host ID and the guest ID. So we are going to write down distinct H dot host ID, comma, G dot guest ID. Okay, now let's run this. Okay, this is a spelling mistake. Distinct. Now let's run this. Okay, so we are getting these combination. Okay, so yeah, this is how we have solved this problem. Now let's see the expected output. And in the expected output as well, we are getting the same answer, right? So yeah, this is the query. Now let's try to submit our solution. And our solution got submitted. So it's a very simple problem where it is already given in the question that we have to match on gender and the nationality, and we have to find out unique combination of unique pair of host ID and the guest ID that we just did. Okay, so that's all about today's video. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. If you have more solution to this problem, you can put that too in the comment section. Hope you like this video. If you like it, keep liking. Do not forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.